good morning kids. As Diwali is around, the purpose of making this video is to enhance your creativity. So we'll start with making a diya in more creatively.
Before we start the video, let us know what are the materials required for making this diya. First one is acrylic paints, then molded clay, some brushes and a diya. You can soak the diya overnight or for 15 minutes before starting the process for better results. This is the final look of our diya. You can get more creative and use your own imagination to make your diya look unique, just like I've done with these two diyas. Before ending this video, you can also utilize waste items to create something unique. For example, I've transformed an empty ketchup bottle into a decor piece, and here is a jar I've turned into a hanging piece. You can add fairy lights or a candle inside. Now it's your turn to get creative and light up your Diwali with unique handmade decor. Have a happy and safe Diwali. Stay creative, stay blessed.